Okay, Kipsters, so today we're going to be introducing percents. And in my opinion, percents are actually a pretty simple way to represent a number because you can change percents so easily into fractions and decimals. First, let's choose our color of the day. Today, I'm going with a darker color. I think it's going to be black. So, here we go. The reason why percents is so simple is because percent simply means out of 100. If you think about the word per, out of, cent, 100. So percent means out of 100. Percents can only speak one language, and that is the hundredths. You remember decimals can speak 3, and fractions can speak any. So the technical definition of a percent, in fact 2, a percent is a fraction whose denominator is 100. So watch how simple this is. So to make a percent into a fraction, you just put it over 100 and reduce. So check this out. We have a percent, 75%. To make it into a fraction without reducing, all you have to do is take the percent and put it over a 100. Now, 75 hundredths. That tells me what it is as a decimal, because we know the hundredths place is 2 blocks out. That's tenths, that's hundredths. 75 hundredths. And you can put your 0 in front. So that's how you make it into a decimal. And then shading it into the 100 grid is easy, right? Because all you have to do is shade in 75. Now I'm going to do this pretty quickly, so it's going to look ugly. I'm trying to get 20 there. That's 30. That's 40. Man, that's ugly. That's 50. That's 60. Man, this is the ugliest thing I've ever done in my life. That's 70. And I know y'all would never do this on a test. You'd be filling those in, making sure all the spots, all the hundreds are filled in. 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 75 hundredths. Okay, close to 100%, but that's 75%. You fill in 75 out of 100. Let's try another one. 3%. Okay, don't get tricked up. Same thing. Percent is a fraction whose denominator is 100. So 3% is simply 3 over 100. Once again, 3 hundredths. Hundredths is 2 to the left, 2 to the right of thuggish ruggish road. That's tenths, that's hundredths. You put a 3 in the hundredths place. You put a smiley face in the empty space. You can put a 0 here. That's 3 hundredths, like 3 pennies. 3 hundredths means on the 100 grid that you simply shade in 3 out of 100. Again, sorry, that's ugly. Finally, let's see what happens if they actually give us a picture and we have to go backwards. So I'm counting. I see 5 shaded in out of 100. Well, that's pretty simple. That's my fraction right there. 5 out of 100. Since it already speaks hundredths, I can make that into a percent very easily. That's just 5%. And then 5 hundredths as a decimal. Once again, hundredths. 2 to the right of thuggish ruggish road. 5 goes here. Smiley face in empty space. And there's your 0 in the front. So again, percents, pretty simple. Put it over 100. You'll see other lessons where you have to reduce, but in this chart we didn't have to. And then making it into a decimal, again, just count your places on thuggish ruggish road and you'll be fine.